So right here I have myself a blank sheet, and up here I have myself the ribbon. Now I didn't mention all this last week, but the ribbon is essentially where everything you have will be. Now the ribbon itself will grow and expand with more tabs along the top, so long as, what you have selected is. If you cannot see the ribbon, chances are you just have to go under View, Ribbon, and it'll be back. Microsoft has ways for you to add more tabs. You can customize it, do all sorts of fun stuff. But generally, you have your Home tab, which is your bold, your italics, your underline, your colors, your size, your alignment, all that sort of fun, normal stuff. You can insert something, so we can insert a table, insert pictures, insert shapes, insert some charts, some spark lines, a link, all this sort of fun stuff that we're already going to be doing up here. And of course, you can see, depending on what I click on, depends on what stuff I have. I've got page layouts for margins, orientation, size, backgrounds. I have formulas, data, review, which is, always checking spelling and all sort of fun stuff, and view, and I can make new custom tabs as well. For this one, we're going to be working mostly in the Insert tab, but you can also always change stuff and change colors and fonts in the Home tab. So chances are you're going to be going back and forth between multiple tabs. That's okay. However, also, depending on what you add in, you will also add in a new thing. So for example, if I were to just simply add a chart, and I'm just going to add a pie chart. Now you'll notice a new thing popped up that says Chart Design, and one next to it that says Format. Now, that's because I'm currently clicking a chart. If I click outside of the chart, those two things go away. But if I click the chart again, now they pop back up. And I have all my things for quick layout, change colors, change data type, so on and so forth. And all, of course, the other things about the formatting. So, the thing is, the ribbon will, in fact, change depending on what you have selected. So if you have sparklines selected, there will be a tab up here for sparklines. If you have a chart selected, there will be a spot up here for charts. If you have, an image selected, there'll be a tab up here for images, so on and so forth. So, always, always, always make sure you're highlighting in the correct tab and make sure you've got the correct thing selected. Now then, that's how this is all going to work. Now, let's start out with the easiest of everything. Let's just go and make ourselves a, http://www.google.com. Now, as you can tell, it already made myself a link just by simply typing that. But what if I don't want to actually just do that? What if I don't want to make that a link? What if I want to just say, whoops, let me just click somewhere else. Let me just say, click me. Okay, well, I'm clicking you. I'm clicking you. It's not doing anything. So what if I don't want to physically just type in a website, but what if I want to actually just have something itself physically be something that we click on? Like I can say, click me, and we'll go somewhere. So how would I do that? Well, I'd have to go to the Insert tab, and I would have to go to Link. See, there it is. It says add a hyperlink. When I hover over it, it has a little internet symbol and a little link chain. Yeah, they try their best to make these images look like what they would do. And it says, oh, there's a text to display. There's two things. The text that will display, so it says click me, or, I can just say, this is what I click on, whatever I wanted to say, and the address, where's it going to go to? I don't know, it's going to go to http://www.google.com. Whoops, that's a comma, not a period. And of course I could select a web page, or I could select a document or an email address. Yeah, so if you wanted to, you could have this be a way to set up an email. It's nice. And I'll hit OK. And now you see, this is what I click on becomes a hyperlink. And where is it going to? It's going to http://www.google.com. And I'll just click it. And poof, I have now popped up on Google.com. Yay. So, that's how you make a hyperlink.